And good morning. This is Ralph making a video about the Temperance card. And here I'm going to be talking a little bit about the various meanings of the Temperance card. And what you're looking at right now are three different versions of the Temperance card. We've got the Temperance card from the Aquarian Tarot right here. In the middle here, we've got the Morgan Greer version of the Temperance card. And then right here is the Rider-Waite version of the Temperance card. A lot of similarities here between the Morgan Greer and the Rider and the Aquarian. Well, the Aquarian Tarot kind of goes its own way. The Aquarian Tarot is kind of an Art Deco type deck that was used a lot of 1970s styling to it. And I kind of like it. So some people love it, some people hate it. I kind of like it. It gives a different look and feel to the Temperance card. But as far as the meaning of Temperance goes, it's like when you look at the angel here that's pouring water out of one cup into another cup, I always think of a doctor. Matter of fact, in the Rider-Waite deck here, you see he seems to be wearing something on his head that reminds me of a doctor's light, examination light. And I kind of think of a doctor here making a healing medicine, or an alchemist who is whipping up some sort of a healing potion. So one meaning from the Temperance card that I get right off the bat is healing, healthy lifestyle choices, keeping things in moderation, not letting things or other people control you, but especially, relating to things like drugs, alcohol, habits, making sure that you control it and not letting it control you. And when we get our life out of balance, when we are living a lifestyle that is just out of harmony with our true purpose for being here, it can really overtake us, it can destroy us, and it can slow us down at the very least in trying to realize our life goals and our life ambitions. How many times have you made a commitment to yourself that you're going to do something, and then gotten sidetracked by one thing or another, maybe TV, maybe, going down to the bar and having a few drinks, or maybe, hanging out at the coffee shop and having too much coffee, or, you get distracted by a great many things and you don't carry through with your plans and with your goals. The Temperance card here says, okay, live a life that is in harmony with your stated purpose, with your stated beliefs. And if you have goals, which, it's a good thing, I believe, to have goals, have something to shoot for in your life, besides just drifting along on the wind. If you have goals, make sure that you are being true to your goals, be true to yourself, and do what you can to achieve those goals. So with the Temperance card, I really see a lot here. I see mostly, moderation, balance, and harmony, and then also a lot here about health and healing and just living a life of integrity. Living a life that is integrated with your inner beliefs, your outer beliefs, and your outer actions. So that's some of the meanings that I see in the Temperance card. And, other readers will look at these same cards and they will come up with other insights, other definitions. And that's the beauty, really, of the tarot. I've read dozens of tarot books giving different interpretations of the same cards. And one thing that I can tell you, after being a reader of the tarot ever since the 1970s myself, is that there is a lot more to the tarot than any one book can encapsulate. So yeah, that's what I see in the tarot. What do you see in the Temperance Tarot card? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you agree with my interpretation? Do you disagree? How do you see temperance? Be sure to let me know, and we'll touch base with you later. Until then, take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.